Title: Oxygen, the universe's ultimate superstar. Opening scene: a vast cosmic backdrop filled with galaxies, planets, and stars. The camera zooms in on Mr. Universe, a muscular, glowing humanoid with a deep, booming voice and a dazzling smile. He's dressed in a shimmering cosmic toga. Mr. Universe narrator: Ladies and gentlemen, planets and particles, gather round. I am Mr. Universe, the swole sage of the cosmos, here to introduce you to the heavyweight champion of elements, the breath of life, the fuel of stars, the OG of existence, oxygen. Scene R. A periodic table appears, with Oxygen-S box glowing. Mr. Universe flexes and points to it. Mr. Universe. There it is. Folks, element number 8 on the periodic table. Oxygen. Symbol O. Atomic number 8. And atomic weight. Well, let's just say it's perfectly balanced, as all things should be. Discovered in 1774 by my scientific brothers, Joseph Priestley and Carl Wilhelm Scheele, oxygen quickly rose to fame. Antoine Lavoisier gave it the name we use today, thinking it was crucial for acids. Spoiler alert, it's not. But hey, even legends make mistakes. Scene 3. Mr. Universe stands on a lush, green earth, breathing deeply. Mr. Universe. Here on Earth, oxygen is a big deal. It's the third most abundant element in the universe, and makes up 21% of the air you're breathing right now. But that's not all. In the Earth's crust, it's everywhere: sand, rocks, water, you name it. Oxygen is basically the Morgan Freeman of the elements. Everywhere you look, you see it, and it makes everything better. Scene C. A cartoon of plants, photosynthesizing, exhaling oxygen. Mr. Universe lounges on a cloud with sunglasses. Mr. Universe. You know who we owe our sweet, breathable air to. Plants. Using photosynthesis, these green powerhouses take sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide and turn it into oxygen. A standing ovation for Team Plant, please. Without oxygen, there'd be no breathing, no fire, no sassy narrators like me. We'd all be floating in the void, holding our collective breaths. Yikes. Scene Wool. Mr. Universe, in a lab coat, standing beside a glowing tank of liquid oxygen. Mr. Universe. Oxygen doesn't just sit around in the air looking pretty. It's a multitasker. Check this out. 1. Healthcare hero. Hospitals use oxygen therapy to keep patients breathing easy. Seriously, oxygen saves more lives than caped superheroes. 2. Metal's best friend, in steelmaking. Oxygen teams up with iron to create the backbone of skyscrapers, cars, and even your dumbbells. 3. Rocket fuel MVP. NASA doesn't launch rockets into space with hopes and dreams. They use liquid oxygen. It's the fiery force behind every successful liftoff. 4. Cleaner extraordinaire. Oxygen in the form of ozone O30_303 purifies water and fights germs like a cosmic clean freak. Scene Lil. Mr. Universe, in a kitchen, wearing an apron labeled Master of Molecules. Mr. Universe. Now, oxygen has some culinary tricks up its sleeve too. It keeps your wine fresh and your fruits from going bad, though too much oxygen can lead to spoilage. Balance, my friends. Oxygen giveth, and oxygen taketh away. Scene C. Mr. Universe stands in front of a model of the ozone layer, holding a shield. Mr. Universe. Speaking of protection, let's talk ozone. High up in the atmosphere, oxygen molecules form a trio and become ozone. a powerful shield against harmful UV rays. Without it, Earth would be toast crispy, burnt toast. But down at ground level, ozone can be a bit of a troublemaker, creating smog and irritating lungs. Oxygen, my dear friends, is like a superstar sibling. Brilliant, but with a mischievous side. Scene 8. A fiery scene of combustion, with Mr. Universe holding a match. Mr. Universe, ever wondered why fire burns? That's oxygen at work. It fuels combustion, turning logs into warmth and marshmallows into gooey perfection. Without oxygen, you'd be eating raw marshmallows in the cold, and that's a cosmic tragedy. Scene 9. Mr. Universe stands on a molecular diagram of water, pointing to the oxygen atom. Mr. Universe, let's not forget water. H2_220. 2 parts hydrogen, 1 part oxygen. And voila! The stuff of life. Oxygen is the glue that holds the water molecule together, keeping oceans flowing, rivers running, and your coffee brewing. Scene 10. A dramatic spotlight on Mr. Universe as he takes a deep breath. Mr. Universe. So, what have we learned today? Oxygen is a breathtaking element, pun intended. It keeps you alive, makes the world beautiful, powers rockets, and even protects the planet. Truly, a cosmic champion. Now, go out there, take a deep breath, and give a little mercy to the element that makes it all possible. Stay curious, stay inspired, and remember, oxygen may be invisible, but its impact is out of this world. Closing scene. Mr. Universe flexes, sparkles, and blows a kiss to the audience. Mr. Universe, until next time, my stellar friends, stay oxygenated and fabulous. Mr. Universe, out. Fade out to a dramatic supernova.